Hello everyone, myself Sai Prasad Alexei in Ahmedabad High School and the Junior College. Welcome to a series of the lectures of Intermediate Second Year Maths A. We started a discussion with the chapter Permutation and Combination. What did we learn? In the first session we learned what is a permutation and we did problems of NPR, right? In the second session we did all kinds of theoretical questions. How do we arrange and all those? Fine. Today in this session we will learn how to arrange a 5 letters into different names. This kind of games you would have played. For example, let us say AN. And how many ways can I arrange? Either AN or NA. Right? Anything more than that? No, right? Fine. If I say THE, HTE, EHT or something like that, we can arrange. So, how do we do for this kind of names? If the letters of the word master are permuted in all the possible ways and the words thus are arranged in dictionary order, then he is asking us to find the rank of master. Rank is in how many ways it can be permitted. Okay, which means what is the rank of master in the sense, if I go on arranging the letters of this word, when do we get this number? When do we get this word? Okay, just let me tell you clearly. First tell what is the given word here? MASTER, right? Just write in a dictionary order, alphabetical order. Letters in alphabetical order. Which is first? A, E, right? Next after that, M, R, S, T. Yes or no? A is first, E is next, M, R, S, T. Right? Now let me arrange starting with A. The first letter will start with A. Then how many letters are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this 5 elements can be arranged in this 5 positions. So I can get 5 factorial words. Yes or no? Fine. That is not our number. We should get master. The first letter should be M. Next, E. If I want to start a letter with E, so how many words do I get? Again I will get, the left out elements are 5 positions. I can get 5 factorial number of words. Next, now I want to start with M. Done. Inside M, what will be our next letter? Obviously again we have to start from first. A is also done. We want the element starting with A only. Next, A is also done. The next, let us check with E. No, we don't have. So the left out are 3. Right? Again in this category, M, A, E. After E, which is the next letter? R. Is the R letter sophisticated with us? No. So we can have 3 factorial more number of words. Next, the next element is S. S, does it suit? Yes, obviously. So again come from first. E. Is E suiting in this position? No, right? So the left out elements are 2. Right? Next, after E, the next letter is R. M, A, S, R. Again, are they suitable? Obviously no. Okay. Next, M, A, S, R. The next will be T. M, A, S, T. Done. And the next E is also done. Obviously R is also done, which is nothing but nothing is left, which is 0 factorial. Now just all the numbers, add all the numbers. Therefore, rank is 120 plus 120 plus 3 2s are 6 plus 6 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. Just add 120 plus 120 is 240, 240, 252, 259. Yes or no? Any doubts you have? Just add 120, 120, 240, 252 and 257, right? Fine. Once again see here, I'll have 6 letters here. I have just arranged in an order. Now I'll write all the words with the letter starting with A. Okay? We will definitely not get, because our word starts with M. So we will just rule out all those 120 words. Next, if an element starts with E, if a word, so again our name doesn't start with E. Again we will leave one more 120. Next, our word starts with M. So just we'll stop there. We'll come inside M. Again inside M, again the word starts with A. Again, yes, our word starts with A, we'll go inside. After that, is it starting with E? No, we'll just E ka row, we'll just leave it. Next, is it starting with R? No, again we'll leave it. Is it starting with S? Yes. So we'll just go inside. The next again, the first E. In the E rank we are not getting our number. In R we are not getting. In T, yes we got. Inside the first is E, yes we got. Inside R we got it. So just we'll add all those and we'll get the rank of the number as 257. Is it easy? Actually it is very easy if you easily understand it. Clear? Shall we do one more problem of this kind? Let's do. Look at the next question here. He is telling, if the letters of the word prison are permitted in all possible ways and the words thus formed are arranged in dictionary order, then find the rank of prison. The same story as we did for master, the same thing we are going to do it for prison. Okay, now just tell me the arrangement of this I, N, O, P, R, S. Is it right? Hope you all know the order of alphabets. N, O, P, R, S. Now these are arranged in alphabetical order. The next step, we have to start writing it. So how do we write? The number of terms starting with I is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5 factorial. Again with N, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With O, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all these are ruled out because our word starts with P. So from P, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, P we are starting. The next letter is I. Okay, S is not our I is not our next letter. So we'll be left with 4. Next, N. P, N. No, it is also not possible. Next, P, O. It is also not possible. Next is P, R. Yes, it's possible. P, R. Next, I is also possible. N, no, that is not our word. So I will be left with 2 factorial. Right? And the next, P, R, I, N ke baad P, R, I, O. No, that is also not the place. So I will be left with 2 factorial. Next, P, R, I, S. Yes. Next is N. No, that is also the number, not the number. So it is 1 factorial. Next, P, R, I, S, O, we got it. N also we got it. So it is 0 factorial. Now just add everything. Therefore, the rank is 5 factorial plus 5 factorial plus 5 factorial plus what is 4 factorial? 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24 plus again 24 plus again 24 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, 123 size 360, 360 plus 72. Okay, 360 plus 40 is 400, 432, 432 and 433, 434 and 438 is our answer. Is it right? What did we do here again? Again starting with the first letter, arranged order. I, inside IRAC will go. Yes, we are not getting. Inside N will not get. Inside O will not get. Inside P will get. So obviously again inside P will have different racks. I, no, it's not possible. N, not possible. O, not possible. I, yes, it's possible. Again, after going into PR, we will get I. Yes, we got PRI. Again inside PRI, we will get N. It is not a rack. Inside PRI, O will go, will not get. Inside PRI, S, yes, will go, will get it. Next, N, it doesn't match. O, N will be our next setup. Did you understand? Do you understand this particular thing? Fine. Shall we do one more problem? Let's do. Look at the next question here. He is telling that if the letters of a word bring are permitted in all possible ways and the words are formed that are arranged in dictionary order, then he is asking us to find 59th word. How do we do? Just we already told, if they give a word, then we can find the rank. If they give the rank, we have to find the word. So what kind of word it might be? Shall we do? Just simply, first we have to write the write the alphabetical order. What is it? I, first B, next G, and the next I, next N, R. Right? B, G, I, N, R. This is the alphabetical order which we know. So, how many words do we get with B? 2, 3, 4, 4 factorial, which is 24. So, we'll not have within 24. Next, starting with G. Again, next 24. 24 plus 24, 48 numbers are done. So, we should get 59th word. If I want to start with the number I, I'll get one more 24, will cross the 72. Right? So, obviously, it lies between all the numbers, letters were starting with I. Yes? So, done. Let us start with B. Okay, we are inside now I ka rack. Okay. Again, inside this I will have different rows, that is starting with B, starting with G, starting with N, starting with R. Right? There are total 24. It starts with let us say from 48 are done. Now this is 48. Then again by adding 24 by 4 will get 4 letters there. Right? So let me check now. Don't get confused. Now see here. I. Inside I, if I write B here, so I will be left with 3 factorial. 3 factorial is again 3 2s are 6. 24 plus 6, 48 plus 6, 54. So obviously just after that. Okay. Now we have to go inside IB. Now we are inside IB ka rack. Now what do we get here? Inside IB I can have G, I can have N, I can have R. Okay, from where does it start? 48 and here 54. It is starting from 54. Just after 54 we have to check. Let me check with IB. After that let me check with G. I will be left with 2 factorial. Now just tell me 54, 55, 56, this is 56. Done. So we didn't get the number. Next, I, B, G. Are we getting it? No, right? Since it is 50, 48, 54. Okay, now see here. We didn't get with G. Let me start with N. 2 factorial is again 2. 56, I'll get it as 58th number. Next, no, we are not getting it. So obviously, just after 58, what do I get? This is up to 58. So I'll get it as, we have to write it as R. Right? Once again, see here, we started with B. We are in 24. We completed B ka row. We completed G ka row. When it comes to I, we have completed 6 here and we have to enter here 0 here. Right? Let me do again from here. Don't get confused. Inside G, I can be inside B or N or R. Right? Inside G, I should get 3 elements. So what do we get? 54 ke baad, just after that, 3 elements. No, it is not possible. I, G, after that we have B here. Okay, so these 2 elements, it is not possible, which is 56. After that, G is done, right? After that, N we have to take 2 elements. It is 58. So it is not possible. After that, we have to go to R, which is IGR. Obviously, the next element itself, B, N. That will be my 59th word. Yes or no? Till here it is 58. Right? What will be the next number, next letter? IGRBN. That should be our next number. Right? What will be 6th? IGRNB. That's it. Yes or no? So we have to arrange in such a way that we should get this word. So the rank of IGRBN is 59. Clear? Once again, see here. Let me tell. First, let me arrange this in an order. Yes, we arranged. I mean, in alphabetical order. Let me go into rack of B. 24 numbers. Leave, we don't want. G. Again 24 numbers we don't want. Till here it is 48. So if we leave I rack also, we'll go to 72. So better will not do. We'll just go inside I rack. Again inside I. Let us go into first B rack. In B, I'll get next 6 elements. So we need not think of it. 48 plus 6, 54. We don't need. Next, inside G we have to go next. Right? Again, inside within those 6 elements only we'll have. Why? Because it starts from 54 to 6. That is 60. 54 to 60. So this will be like IG. Again I have to go into B rack. It is up to 56. Again in N rack it will go up to 58. So the just next letter is 59th word. So obviously it is IGRBN. Did you understand? Is it not easy to remember and solve? Yes, right? Fine. These all are the basic questions of finding rank and arranging and finding out a particular word. Clear? Fine. By this problem, we can end today's session. In the next session, let us learn few more problems of permutations. Clear? Fine. This is for today. Let us meet in the next session with the more problems of permutation and combination. Thank you.